today's class, we'll do one problem from inverse function. If f of 1 minus 2t over 1 plus 2t equals to 7, then f inverse of 7 is equal to 3. What is the value of t that we have to find out? In inverse function, if f inverse x is equal to y, we can write it as f of y is equal to 3. So, by using that, f inverse 7 is equal to 3. I am writing it as f of 3 is equal to 7. Now, I am comparing with the previous one. What is given in the problem? F of 1 minus 2t over 1 plus 2t is equal to 7, it is given. Am I right? So, both are equals to 7, no? So, I am writing f of 1 minus 2t by 1 plus 2t equals to f of 3. So, 1 minus 2t over 1 plus 2t equals to 3. So, 1 minus 2t equals to, I am doing cross multiplication, 3 into 1 plus 2t. So, 1 minus 2t equals to 3 plus 60. So, 1 minus 3 equals to 60 plus 2t will become 80. So, minus 2 equals to 80. What is t value?